Want to keep you updated on the strong storms that are moving through the area right along the Wisconsin-Illinois line. It's a severe thunderstorm warning continuing for southern Rock County until 8:45.
A little bit of raindrops today, but not much.
Yeah, just a little bit. Weak little wave was passing by the area. Julia kicked off a couple of showers, but most of the day, sunshine.
Mace Michael's in to tell us all about these warnings and hail that we've got outside, too.
Right. The morning started off with a warning back in Grant County, and that expired back at 7:15. So this is kind of a continuation of those cells, as this one has kind of pulsed up once again and is becoming a little more intense. And start to see that warm front approach later Monday and into Tuesday. There's some clouds headed our way and a chance for showers and storms.
Started out rainy, but
yes,
what a beautiful day it turned out to be.
Yeah, this morning, that nasty line of storms, especially south of Madison, in and around Janesville and Beloit, with some large hail, half-dollar size in a few spots that tallied up to about 6 inches deep. Pretty good amount of hail, but around here, just the heavy rain. That moved out quickly, as you mentioned. We were into the sunshine. Nice to see the decent temps, but now another wave of showers is moving through with a cold front. You can see that here on the radar.
Now, your 27 Storm Track forecast in HD.
Turning out to be a beautiful sunny day out there. Meteorologist Mace Michael's in here this morning. Just thinking back to those rainbows we saw yesterday,
yes,
there could be the potential to see some of those maybe this afternoon.
Maybe. The chance of rain today is much lower than yesterday.
Okay.
Humidity's kind of dried out the atmosphere, or at least it's lower. The atmosphere's dried out behind this cold front. So today will be brighter, better than yesterday, but don't be surprised if you do run into a little stray, brief shower. It'll move by quick. You'll barely have to turn the wipers on for it if you're driving around. Pleasant day overall today, temperature-wise, too, with readings in the 70s. Gradual warm-up, though, will hit for the rest of the week, as we'll see some 80-degree readings. And then by midweek, a front will roll at us and could bring in just a couple of storms. Here's the view outside your window this morning. Bright, beautiful blue skies. Temperatures in the mid-60s, comfortable humidity, and just a light breeze out of the north to northwest. We're going to keep it going this way throughout much of the day, and the mercury will climb out of the 60s up into the mid-70s before a few clouds start to roll in, and the weak disturbance to the north could kick off a stray shower or two. Most of the area temperatures are very nice as well. Watertown now sitting at 68 degrees, about the same there in Mineral Point. Camp Douglas almost at 60, where you were in the low to mid 50s earlier on this morning, but a refreshing start just about everywhere here to the day. Now up to the north, there have been much colder temps. International Falls now at 50, but the low this morning there was in the mid to upper 30s, close to a touch of frost. So yes, those numbers up there much chillier. Down here to the south, though, you can notice how warm it is, with readings in the mid 70s right there along I-70. That heat will try to build back up our way later on this week. It'll be a few days before it does so, but maybe toward midweek we'll start to feel that summertime heat and humidity once again, and we'll still, for the most part, avoid the fallish chill. Yesterday's cold front, the one that created the strong storms, well off there to the east. An area of high pressure is what's building in back here to the west, where the sky is clear. But notice a few clouds up here into Minnesota and northern Wisconsin. That's a weak disturbance that may help to kick off a stray shower today. Overall, though, still plenty of sunshine and pleasant temps as the high takes over for the rest of Monday and on into Tuesday. Back westward, here's that storm system that may give us the midweek rain as the warm front rolls at us, kicking up the heat, kicking up the humidity, but also bringing in that shower chance and maybe a few stronger storms toward later Tuesday or early Wednesday. Here's your microcast temps for the day today. 60s at this hour, jumping up into the mid-70s to upper 70s in the afternoon, and then falling down into the low to mid-50s tonight, a little cooler for us. Rest of the forecast, a mix of sun and clouds and that stray shower and a high of 77. Tonight, again, mid-50s for us with a mostly clear sky, and it looks like it'll be a little cooler. Haven't been down to low 50s for a little while. And mostly sunny and pleasant for tomorrow, about 80. Hardly a cloud in the sky. There you go for the rest of the week. That storm chance on Tuesday, a few of those could be on the strong side. That carries over into early Wednesday, followed by some warmth, some heat coming back at us. Even warm morning lows close to 70 to start off Wednesday.
Not too bad. Got to keep some of that around for August.
Oh, yeah. It's not over yet.
All right. Thanks a lot, Mace.